Hello, in front of me I've got Assassin's Creed Shadows. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage store. In order to enter store, from the main menu of the game, press B button or press store button. Right here you can see dual bundles for both characters and own items. Next you can find things you can buy only for Naoe, Yasuke. You can find unique weapons, mounts, hideouts, allies, and utilities. In utilities you can buy map pack, hideout resources, money. If you want to redeem code, press R button. If you want to see your currency, here it is. And if you want to buy Helix credits, press T button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.